Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will solve a question from a TIFR exam 2025. Okay, question is that non-zero n cross n real matrix A such that TH of AX equal to 0 for every real matrix X with TH of X equal to 0. Okay, which of the following statement is true or false, correct or incorrect? That is a question. Okay, statement number 1 is say that for every such matrix A, trace of A to the power n is equal to n to the power n into determinant of A, and statement number 2 is say that for every such matrix A, the rank of A is 2. Okay, I will solve this problem for n is equal to 2. Okay, now solve. The solution. For n is equal to 2. Okay. Now, suppose A is any 2 cross 2 matrix, that is A, B, C, D. Okay. And now X is any matrices A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Here given trace of A, trace of X equal to 0. That is A dash plus D dash is equal to 0. So this implies A dash equal to minus D dash. Okay. So we have X equal to A dash, B dash, C dash and minus A dash. Okay. Suppose B equal to set of all this type of X, this type of matrix X 2 cross 2, okay, such that trace of X equal to 0. Okay, so this type of matrix, okay, X, consider the set of all matrix of X as form. Okay, now next we find basis of B. So basis of B equal to, that is 1 0 0 minus 1 and 0 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 0. Okay, this is a basis set of B. Now next we multiply the basis element with A. Okay, now A into 1 0 0 minus 1, this is equal to A B C D into 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, this equal to A. Okay, this is A and minus B, and this is C, and this equal to minus D. Okay, and now A into 0 1 0 0, so we have A B C D into 0 1 0 0. Okay, this equal to, this is 0, this is A, and this is 0 and this is C. Okay, now A into 0 0 1 0, this equal to A B C D into 0 0 1 0, that is equal to B 0, here D 0. Now the given hypothesis, the trace of AX equal to 0 here given. Okay, now so find the trace of first matrix. So this trace equal to 0 we given. So from here the trace of this matrix equal to 0. So this implies a plus a minus d is equal to 0. That is equal to a equal to d. Okay, and from here trace 0 plus c is equal to 0. So this implies c is equal to 0. Okay, and from this matrix trace equal to 0. So b plus 0 is equal to 0. So this implies b equal to 0. So these three conditions we given, c is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 and a is equal to d. That is diagonal element of this matrix equal and other off diagonal element are all are 0. So ultimately the form of a as follows. So a equal to a 0 0. Okay, this type of matrix, that is scalar matrix. Okay, and also given that this is a non-zero. Okay, consider the non-zero matrix of a. So here a not equal to 0. Okay, so now first condition, trace of a to the power n is equal to n to the power n into determinant of a. Now check the first condition. So here trace of a, find the trace of a. Trace of a is equal to a plus a, that is equal to 2a. Now trace of a to the power square, trace of a square is equal to, that is 2a the square. Okay, that is equal to 2 to the power 2 into a square. Now find n to the power n into determinant of a. Okay, so first of all find determinant of a. This is equal to a square. Now 2 to the power 2 into a square. So this is equal to 2 to the power 2 into determinant of a. So first condition is hold. Okay, now first condition hold. Now second condition say that rank of a is a n. Here clearly a is non-zero. So rank of the a matrix, rank of a is equal to 2. Because here two non-zero row are also independent non-zero row. So this is rank is true. So second condition also hold. Okay, so answer of the question is both condition are true. So answer number C is correct. Okay, so we can solve this problem n size of matrix also. Okay, as follows. First of all, we find the basis element of those vector space which consists the all element of X. Okay, and then we multiply the matrix A and find the trace. We can find all diagonal element are same and off diagonal element are 0. Okay, also we can find, okay, in general.